Welcome to the full course online. In this lesson, we'll learn how to apply different slide layouts to your presentation. Every slide in PowerPoint has something called a layout. A layout controls how your text, images, charts, and other objects are arranged on the slide. You can think of it as the blueprint for your design. To apply a layout, first select the slide you want to change in the Slides pane on the left. Then, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click Layout. A menu will appear showing different options. For example, the title slide is usually used at the very beginning of your presentation. It gives you space for a main title and a subtitle, perfect for introductions. This slide is a perfect example of title slide. The next is the title and content. This layout is the most common. It provides a title at the top and a large box underneath where you can type text, add bullet points, or even insert pictures and charts. Depending on the slide design, it can be different sometimes, like in this case the title is on the left side, while the contents are on the right side of the slide. If you want to compare two sets of information side by side, you can use the two content layout. This slide is the example of two content style. If you want complete freedom to design your own slide from scratch, you can choose the blank layout, where you will decide where to put text, images, and other data. We will discuss how to do that in coming videos. By choosing the right layout, you'll keep your slides consistent, organized, and professional. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to add and format text inside these layouts so your content stands out clearly.